Hello, I'm David Lewis and I'm here to talk to you for a short while about my new advanced organic chemistry. And I'm hoping in the next few minutes that you will stay with me and that I can at least answer some of the questions you might have. So let's start with the question that I seem to get asked by everybody, which is, why did you do this? And the answer is remarkably simple. In 30 years of teaching organic chemistry, I've noticed that gradually the level of rigor in the introductory courses is slowly eroded, while the level of accomplishment expected of graduate students, entering graduate students, has risen. So what's happened is we've had a gap between what the students come out of their second semester of organic chemistry with and what they are expected to know in order to enter their core courses in organic chemistry at the graduate level. This book is designed to fill that gap. Now, obviously, along with this view comes a certain amount of ego. I actually believed that I could write the book that would fill the gap. I hope that after you have a look at the book, you'll agree that in fact I succeeded. Now, the book itself has several interesting features and unusual features. First, it is an upper level textbook. It is not a reference book alone, although there are over 2,500 references to the literature up through about 2013 in the book, and there are another 750 literature references assigned with the problems in the book, so that if the student cannot answer the question, they can go to the original literature, the primary literature, and see what the answer is. That is one feature. The sheer number of problems is much larger than most of the other books that are out there. The other thing is that the book does cover the entire gamut of organic chemistry, from physical organic chemistry through organic reactions to organic synthesis. And we have in the book modern asymmetric reactions and modern catalytic reactions are covered. The organization of organic reactions along principles based on frontier orbital theory is presented. As I say, we have physical organic and synthetic organic chemistry are really balanced in this book. It is designed so that one can use it as a standalone text for physical organic chemistry, or a standalone text for organic reactions, or a standalone text for organic synthesis. Or you could use it for 3 semesters and do all 3 from this one book. Now, when we take a look at another unique feature of this book, we have solved problems in every chapter. And these solutions are not simply the answer, but also the rationale behind the answer. The book itself begins with a first chapter that is really a review of the introductory sophomore organic chemistry. There is a question whether this really belongs in an advanced organic chemistry book. But my experience is that if you ask students in physical chemistry any question about their sophomore organic chemistry, which is less than 12 months old, they will have trouble answering it. So this gets them back to, it lets them recollect what they supposedly learned earlier on. The second unique feature of this book is that I am a firm believer that organic chemistry is a human activity. And consequently, there are small historical vignettes about the chemists who discovered the reactions and developed the reactions. So between the large number of problems, the worked in chapter problems, the focus on modern asymmetric reactions and modern catalytic reactions, the historical vignettes, and the actually relatively inexpensive price, to be honest, I think this is a book worth looking at, and I hope you will.